Got big goals for 2025? Let me show you the top 5 AI tools you've probably never heard of, but should be using right now. First up is Rewind AI. Have you ever wished you could remember every meeting, website, or document you've come across? Rewind AI makes that dream a reality by recording everything you do on your computer and making it searchable. Think of it as a photographic memory for your digital life. It runs quietly in the background, capturing your screen activity and audio. With its advanced search feature, you can type a few keywords and it will instantly retrieve relevant information, whether it was a Zoom call from 3 weeks ago or a document you forgot to save. Students can use it to revisit online lectures without taking detailed notes. Professionals can search specific meeting points without the hassle of manual notes. And content creators can organize brainstorming sessions with ease. The biggest advantages? It's fully searchable, private, and secure since everything stays on your device. However, it does use a lot of storage due to continuous recording and is limited by your device's capabilities. There's a free version with limited recording capacity, and the premium plan starts at $15/month. One user said, "Rewind AI is a total lifesaver. I no longer worry about missing important details in meetings." Next, we have Durable.co. Imagine needing a website for your business and getting it ready in under 60 seconds. That's what Durable does. Just input your business type and Durable generates a fully functional website, complete with design, content, and contact forms. You can customize it or go live immediately. This tool is perfect for freelancers who want to launch a personal portfolio, local businesses looking to establish an online presence, or startups validating business ideas with MVP websites. It's incredibly fast, customizable, and even SEO friendly. The downside? It's not ideal for users who want more advanced design flexibility, and premium features require a subscription. The free version comes with durable branding, while the premium version starts at $12/month. One user shared, "Durable got my consulting website up in minutes. It's fast, functional, and professional." Let's talk about Runway ML. This one's a game changer for content creators. Runway ML offers AI-powered video editing tools that make professional editing effortless. From background removal to real-time effects, it's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, or filmmakers looking to save time. It integrates with video editing platforms and automates tasks like object removal, green screen editing, and adding creative effects. Imagine a YouTuber quickly removing a background or a marketer creating ad content without a professional editor. The tool is easy to use and constantly updated with new features. The downside: it requires a stable internet connection and can take time to process large files. There's a free plan with limited use, while professional features start at $35/month. One happy user said, "Runway ML made my video editing process 10x faster. The background remover alone saved me hours of work." Now meet Poly.ai. This tool revolutionizes customer service with AI-powered conversational agents that sound natural and solve real problems. It's like saying goodbye to frustrating phone menus forever. Poly.ai creates agents that can handle customer service calls, resolve issues, and even make proactive calls. Whether you're a retailer automating inquiries about orders, a bank reducing customer wait times, or a healthcare provider managing appointment scheduling, Poly.ai is incredibly useful. Its pros include natural, human-like conversations, 24/7 coverage, and seamless integration with CRM systems. However, it has a high setup cost for small businesses and limited customization for complex inquiries. Pricing is custom based on usage. A user said, "Poly.ai transformed our support center. Customers get instant help without waiting on hold." Finally, there's Copy.ai. If you struggle with content ideas, Copy.ai is here to save the day. It generates marketing copy, blog posts, and social media content in seconds, giving you more time to focus on strategy. All you need to do is input your topic or product details, and Copy.ai delivers engaging content tailored to your audience. Marketers can whip up social media posts in seconds. Startups can craft website copy quickly. and freelancers can scale content production effortlessly. It's fast, offers multiple tones and styles, and saves hours of writing time. However, the generated content might need light editing for accuracy and lacks deep industry insights. You can try it for free, and the unlimited plan starts at $49/month. A happy user said, "Copy.ai helped me write all my website content in a day. It's a must-have for any entrepreneur." These 5 hidden AI tools are revolutionizing productivity, creativity, and business growth. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or creative professional, these tools are worth exploring. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to AI Decoder for more amazing tech content. You don't want to miss what's coming next.